Klarna Pay in 4 is a popular payment option that allows consumers to split their purchases into 4 equal installments. To get the most out of this service, follow these tips. First, understand how Klarna Pay in 4 works. When you choose this option at checkout, you will be asked to pay a quarter of the purchase amount up front. The remaining 3 installments will be automatically deducted from your account every 2 weeks. Before using Klarna Pay in 4, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the initial payment and subsequent installments. Late payments can result in fees and negatively impact your credit score. So it is crucial to review your budget and ensure you can afford the payments. To use Klarna Pay in 4, start by selecting this option at checkout. You will then be redirected to Klarna's website, where you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and payment details. Klarna will then conduct a soft credit check to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Once you have been approved, you will receive a confirmation email outlining the payment schedule and amount. It is essential to keep track of your payments and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. To avoid late fees, one of the benefits of using Klarna Pay in 4 is that it does not charge interest on purchases. However, late payments can result in fees, so it is crucial to make timely payments. Additionally, Klarna Pay in 4 does not affect your credit score unless you miss payments, which can negatively impact your credit score. To avoid missed payments, set up reminders or automate your payments. You can also use the Klarna app to track your payments and receive notifications when a payment is due. In conclusion, Klarna Pay in 4 is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows consumers to split their purchases into 4 equal installments. By understanding how it works, reviewing your budget, and making timely payments, you can use Klarna Pay in 4 to manage your expenses and avoid debt. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and keep track of your payments to get the most out of this service.